children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Today I'm going to talk about the Olympiad exam and it helps you to discover the genius within you. First of all, let's know what is Olympiad exam. Olympiad competitions are the prestigious exams conducted national level and international level to test students' knowledge and skills in various subjects. So benefits of this Olympiad exam is enhance the problem solving skills, build a strong foundation, prepares for future competitive exams. Here, this is a very special feature of an Olympiad exam when compared to the other exams. So, the specialty is subject specific focus. So, let's know what is this. Okay. The unique feature of this Olympiad competition is the freedom to choose subjects based on your interest, like maths, English, or coding. This empowers a student to dive deep into their favorite area, sharpening their skills and explore their true potential. It's not only the exam, but an opportunity to realize their strength and passions for bright future. So let's see what subjects they are providing us. Science, maths, English, general knowledge, and even in computers. Here are the benefits of by choosing this Olympiad exam. Students can strengthen their knowledge in a particular subject and develop a deep understanding. Here the main thing is they are focusing on a particular subject, not all the subjects, right? So students can select depending on their interest and explore many things in that. Now, next coming to eligibility for this Olympiad. So you might have been wondering who are eligible for this? Can my child participate in this Olympiad exam? They give a great opportunity. Every grade has a special level of difficult tailored to the student's knowledge. So they offer this Olympiad exam for the class 1 to 12. And you might think that my child is studying in this board. Can he participate in that? So students from CBSE, ICSE and even the state board can participate in this Olympiad exams. I hope this is a very great news. It looks very interesting, right? Now you want to get registered for this exam. Then there are two methods for registering for this Olympiad exam. That is through school and one more is individual registration. For if you want to go through school, then you need to follow certain steps. Make sure the school is registered with Olympiad. The school will handle the formalities which include submission of fees, forms and everything. If your school is not registered to this Olympiad, then you can even participate in it through individual registration. If your school is not registered, you can apply directly on Olympiad official site. Just you need to fill out the online form and pay the registration fees. Let's know what are the steps for school registration. School coordinator receives the registration form for the Olympiad organization. And the second step would be students just need to select the subjects they wish to appear for. And the third step would be the school submits the list of participating students along with the fees. The fourth step would be the Olympiad organization sends the exam details like roll number and study material if you have paid for that. I hope this is very easy process, right children? Next, let's see about the steps for individual registration. Here is the steps for individual registration. If your school is not registered and if you are interested to participate in this, then here is the simple way to get registered. Our first step is to visit the official website of Olympiad. Create an account using your details like name, school, class, so on. Third step would be choose the subjects you want to participate in. Fourth step, pay the registration fee online. Fifth step, download your registration confirmation and exam details. That's it. Now you can simply participate in this Olympiad competition and explore the things within you. Here are the important things to remember while registering. First thing is always register before the deadline to avoid last moment issues. Double check the details like name, class and school during registration. Keep a copy of your registration confirmation slip for reference. Here are the popular Olympiad websites for registration. You can go to this website and get registered for this exam. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. If you want to know more details about this competitive exams, check the description. Thanks for watching.